Back with another Las Vegas room review. We're here at the Linq. This is the 2 queen bed luxury room. It's got a sliding door here to the bathroom with a mirror on it. Let's check it out. So, pretty basic bathroom, but it's nice. A little bit of artwork. You got little cubbies for the hair dryer, towels, toilet paper, all that. One of my favorite parts is the dispensers. You got hand wash and lotion dispensers. Big mirror with the light, little mirror. Take a look at the shower. It's also got the dispensers, shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Big shower head. And it's even got a curtain to keep the water out. Because Harrah's had a shower just like this with no curtain and the water was getting out. So it's like an upgraded version of Harrah's, to be honest. Let's go take a look at the main room. Here's the 2 queen beds. Nice wallpaper. Take a look at the closet. Even has a mini fridge. You definitely need this out here in Vegas. Get you some beers or whatever. Get your leftovers off the Linq Promenade. Right next door we got a lot of restaurants, so put your leftovers in there. Here you got the flat screen TV. Not too much workspace though, but you're in Vegas, you're on vacation, you're not really working, but not much desk there. You do have a nice little lounge area over here where you could honestly have another person sleep. So you could probably fit like 5, 6 people if you really needed to, but that's only if you're desperate. Outside here we got the view of the pool. We're on the 3rd floor. The downside, it is a little noisy, but it's beautiful out here. Don't expect to take any naps in the daytime because the curtains don't even block the sun. It all comes through the bottom, so that is one downside.